Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today we're trying out a new mic. Hopefully it is working and going all to plan. And we are also going to be potting up some Syngoniums. So you know the drill. I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see the plants as I'm potting them up. They're coming from a variety of trades and swaps. One of them, or two of them, three of them, I got from Lily over at Peace Lily's Plants. I got one from Miles over at Paradise in a Pot. I believe I got another Syngonium from Chris over at the Garden Pile. And I have another one that I got at a swap, and I can't remember your name. So if you're watching this, I'm potting her up today. Woohoo! So, yeah, we're gonna switch the camera around, grab a drink, grab a snack, or grab some pots and some plants that you would like to pot up today. And yeah, let's go. All right, so the first plant we're gonna show you, it came as two cuttings. I got this at the swap. It is the Syngonium Wendlandii. Look how pretty that is. Can you see the sheen to it? It's really cool. But I was very nervous. They didn't have any roots when I traded them. I traded a fresh cutting of one of my Hoyas for a fresh cutting of this. And yeah, look at all these roots. We're gonna pot her up into this smaller pot just because I don't have an intermediate pot from like this little one to like a larger 4-inch, and I don't want to rot the roots. So there's no drainage hole in this pot, which I think is okay because it's smaller, and these guys were rooted in water. So I think it will all work out. So we're gonna pour a little bit of soil, make a little bit of a mess as always. Pop these guys in there and do a little bit of backfilling. It's always exciting to pot up water propagations. It's always easier than repotting plants anyway. Somehow, I always make a mess, but it's fine. Even when I try not to. Alright, so we have this guy looking really good. And yeah, I'll water them all at the end and set them up, and then I will show you all of my Syngoniums that I have. Alright, the next one is going to go into this cute little pot. And let's see, who do I want to put in this pot? I guess, so I can show you first the Syngoniums that I have. They're in just this like water jar. You see all the roots. I'll pull them out and throw them down for you. So I have the Syngonium Albo. This one I got from Miles over at Paradise in a Pot. We got two nice large Syngonium leaves. Very pretty. They're doing really well. And then I have another piece of this somewhere from Lily. Somewhere. Right here? Yeah, this one. This one doesn't have as much variegation, but that's okay. And then we have a new leaf coming in. So we're gonna pot these two guys together. We're gonna have like a really long one and then a really short one. But I think it will work out. We'll see. Let me back you guys up. Hold on. All right, so this is as good as we're gonna get, I believe. So we got these two, and then we have this guy, and the boyfriend's gonna be coming in. What do you need, sir? Just coming to say hi?
Yeah, it's taking forever stretching my legs.
All right, so we're gonna just throw some soil in at the bottom and then back filler up. I want to try to get these guys standing, but sometimes the plant just doesn't want to do what you want them to do. I'm gonna try to get this root right here in the ground or covered, but I'm afraid I'm gonna end up rooting or rotting the other stem. So maybe I'll pull that one up a little bit and then just pile some dirt around there. I'm not even sure you could see, but all right, we got this one done. It's focusing on Moo, on my cat. That's Moo back there. Let's try to get the plant in focus, ma'am. Thank you very much. So we have this little Syngonium elbow cutting. We do have a new leaf. Please focus on not the cat. There we go. So we do have a new leaf coming in right here on the larger one from Miles. And I believe we also have a new leaf coming in right there from the piece I got from Lily. So it's exciting. Can't wait for these guys to take off and grow. All right, next is gonna be in this cute little like tulip pot. And we're gonna put in this one. So this is the Syngonium Cardi Road, I believe. It has like the dark green leaves and then the dark maroon backs. Very pretty. We have a good amount of roots happening. And yeah. This is what she looks like. It looks so dark, but I think it's just how the leaves are. Next, we have this cute little yellow planter. And I think we are gonna put the Syngonium just green form. I got this also from Lily. And yeah. So we have the green Syngonium and the cute little yellow pot. All right, and the last plant to be potted is going into this green pot. I think I got it from Marshall's. It's cute. And we are gonna put the Syngonium Go Glow in it. There we go. So we got a bunch of roots. We have we got a leaf that fell off. And yeah. Oh, we have 3 pieces. So that's exciting. All right, so those are all of the Syngoniums potted up. I'm gonna put them in their place and I'm gonna show you my Syngonium collection. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, so these are my Syngoniums. Also, by the way, we are now using the microphone that came with the camera. So let me know in the comments below which audio sounded better, the beginning of this video or the video now at the Syngonium reveal. Okay? Alright, so I have a total of 12 different types of varieties of Syngonium. Look how cute they look here. I guess we'll make it a little tour, might as well. So we have the Syngonium macrophylla. We're down to 1 leaf, but she is putting out a new little leaf right back there. Hard to see, but it's there. There's promise. We just potted this one up, the Syngonium Wenlandii. This is the Syngonium Maria. Very beautiful. Up here, These guys are the Syngonium pink. The leaves come in nice and pink. It's beautiful with the nice medium green undersides. This is the Syngonium Go Glow. Look how pretty that is. That really is like very pretty. Alright, so this is the Syngonium White Butterfly, I believe. Yes, it is. And this is what she looks like. This is the newest leaf. That is really pretty. That's pretty. Alright, jumping over to this shelf, we have the Syngonium Confetti. Look at that leaf. That is pretty. And then we have a new leaf right here, waiting for it to get a little bit more darker green splotches to come through. We have that leaf. That is so pretty. So pretty. And underneath that, we have the Syngonium Berry Illusion. I had to look at the tag for this one. The Berry Illusion with those beautiful dark pink veinings. Look at that. That is beautiful. We got a little funky leaf right here just unfurling. Look at how pretty that is. Down here is the Syngonium Cardi Road. You can kind of see it better in this lighting, I think. Look at how pretty that is. Look at the back. Such a dark, deep maroon color. So pretty. And then right here we have the Syngonium Mottled, or Mojito, or Army. I don't really know the name of it, but you can see the mottling in this lower leaf a little bit more. This guy, I don't know how well he's doing, but yeah, this leaf too, you can see. So pretty, so pretty. He's also taken a little while to kind of like take off, but so far so good. We got some leaves. This is just a plain green Syngonium. It's always good to just have like the original, the plain Jane of a variety. Mostly because they grow really fast and take off, and it's very rewarding to grow. But also, I think, you know, I don't know. They're just like, why wouldn't you have the original? Anyway, then we have right here is the Alba. We have the smallest amount of variegation up here by my thumb. We got a new leaf coming in, and then we got these big boys. I mean, look at those. Those are beautiful leaves. Wow. So, we got the light right up here. So, I'm excited to see what the new leaf that is coming out is going to look like. And yeah, so, 2 things for this video. Let me know which Syngonium is your favorite, and also how the audio is. And yeah, until next time, relax, plants, and peace out.